dog. All right. Look. He just tapped end dog. We had SMT at end dog. Who the fuck? Obviously me, dude. So the reason why we didn't retrend is like we're coming off of a OT, like literally perfect OTE of this daily imbalance. That's literally where he's placed off of. Not gonna lie, for if I would have rather have seen us, and Lake knows because I was talking to Lake about this like 2 days ago. I rather would have seen us wick into this imbalance, like wick like that, wick into it and then come lower. But
Yeah.
we traded very aggressively through 50%. So I was like, all right, Loki might reach higher because we traded pretty aggressive through this range. This whole range right here, we traded pretty aggressively through this range. So I was like, all right, chances are we're probably reaching for end dog. But what ended up happening was we just displaced off OTE of the daily imbalance. So I guess the original bias is playing out after some whack shit all week. Because weekly opened right here. Monday we didn't trade because there was no news on Monday, and it was a week before FOMC, NFP, and unemployment claims, and like Monday's gonna be dog shit. And like we all know Monday was dog shit. Like look, this was Monday's action, bro. So we didn't place any trades on Monday. It was Monday. Like about here. This was like Monday's action. Yeah, this was Monday's action. We formed the accumulation. Tuesday we manipulated lower, sweeping out this this low with SMT. If I go to ES. Yeah, SMT is still there. We never swept that low with ES. And then off that SMT, we expanded really aggressive off of it. So I was looking for longs because we put in a Tuesday low. I would have rather seen Monday accumulate, Tuesday wick into that daily imbalance, and then Wednesday distribute lower. That would have been way more ideal than Tuesday wick into external, and then trend higher into here, where we form a Thursday reversal. It's not ideal. Because look at the weekly open. We open low, high. Honestly, what I said, open, high, low. Is it because of FOMC? Let me check. I don't honestly don't remember what news we had on Tuesday. Yeah, it was honestly just because the reason why action has been like this all week is probably just because of news. So much news and so much. Dude, this week was also full of earnings. We had a lot of earnings this week. A lot of earnings. This is like earnings week.
That's what you gotta change your profile picture, bro.
What? You don't like it?
It's not looking good for you.
Oh shit. That. Yeah, look. Yeah. Hella news this week. No news on Monday. And we had hella earnings this week. So that's why it's kind of whacked this week, but not that bad. So looking into tomorrow, dude, I don't want to see us sweep this shit overnight. If we sweep this shit overnight, we probably would see a TGIF play. But we do have NFP tomorrow, so we could like price.
Yeah, I think them lows are your AM target.
Yeah, like this is our target, but I don't want to see this get taken overnight. If it does, then that's just not ideal. If it does, then we could see TGIF where we close back within the weekly range. But that's honestly like after we get Thursday reversal like this, we probably would keep reaching lower, especially with NFP. Just gotta wait, see what NFP does. But this is my target for tomorrow. These lows. This is June lows. Yeah. Ideally, if you look, we put in equal lows with this low, and now we're just kind of ranging right here. But I really hope we don't take this low. It's honestly like unlikely we're not going to take this low overnight. But if we don't take that low and put in equal lows, and we come back into here, this would be an MMXM model too for a sell side continuation. Wait, hold on, this is wrong. Because we have this whole area of just fair value gaps, fair value. We could probably come in here, somewhere in here in this 4 hour, and then come lower. This would be like the most ideal scenario, but probably not going to happen. We're probably just going to reach lower overnight. Dude, also the past 2 days we've been expanding to our draws during the overnight session. Like dude, we dumped a lot for a Asian session dump. This is a big move for Asian session. The daily range is already 300 handles for Asian. That was like today's range for New York. Taking part in Asian, yeah, not ideal, but lots of news and earnings this week. That's why it happened. But the reason why I was like, bro, I flipped my bias like I think 3 times this week. If I pull this shit up, hold on. All right, let's look at this. So this was my initial bias, right? We come into that daily bounce and then come lower. See Tuesday put in the high of the week, and then see expansion lower. But what ended up happening is we accumulated, and then Tuesday put in the low of the week. So I pretty much dropped this whole essay talking about why this shit's unclear. I was like, buy straws and clear FMC, blah, 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 blah. But pretty much right here I said, yeah, we'd equal highs, equal lows on NQ, and then, where was it? Yeah, right here. I said Tuesday low of the week because Tuesday put in the low of the week right here with that SMT and expanded higher. It looks like a classic. That looked like a classic. If I pull it up. Why did it download? Yo, chill. See, it looks like a classic Tuesday low of the week, where Monday accumulates Tuesday, then we expand higher. If I pull this shit up next to the chart, this is why weekly profiles is important to learn, as well. It can help really shape your bias. Oh my god, what the fuck? All right, doesn't that look like? Oh, that's Tuesday high of the week. Alright, right here, look. Monday from the accumulation, Tuesday reached lower, Tuesday low of the week, and then we expanded higher. That was Wednesday, we expanded higher. So I thought for Thursday we could expand higher, at least to end dog. That's why I took a long today. But honestly, looking back, it was a dog shit trade. Not dog shit, but it was pretty bad. Because we had SMT at previous day high, right here. And on the 1 minute, off the SMT, we displaced aggressive. Should have seen that. But yeah, early at the beginning of this week was pretty bad with all the news and shit. We're also approaching the summer months, or the August, which is August typically trades sideways. What about September month? The September month is typically, I think, let me check. September's typically like, I think September's like typically, I want to see bullishness in September, but typically like the June, July and like August is like it trades sideways, and then maybe we can get continuation higher in September. But September is definitely where it gets better, because August is the worst month to trade. But that's not going to stop us.